Let's install and configure an IT visibility beacon. So to get to the beacon binaries, we go to Data Collection, IT Visibility Installers. Under the beacon installer is the binary. We want to select the latest version and click Download. We go to File Explorer and go to Downloads. Then right-click on the executable and run as administrator. So it'll ask for installation of the prereqs. Go ahead and install them. Click Next. Agree to the click-through. Take a look at custom. So we're going to deploy the beacon and an inventory agent. It's going to go to Program Files, Flexera Software, Inventory Beacon. We'll leave the defaults. We'll configure the scheduled tasks, and we're going to run as a named user, which will be student. We're operating in a work group, so we're just going to use the admin user. We're not going to use a service account as best practice would suggest. If you're running the agent as a substitute for IMLT, you'll need to install a driver. And if you're going to do some inventory tasks with the Oracle databases directly, you'll also need another driver. Now the installation is complete. Click Finish. We'll go ahead and add this to the taskbar. Then I'll configure this to run as administrator. And then go ahead and execute it. The initial launch defaults to parent connection. We'll go ahead and click Enable Parent Connection and then download the config. This will bring up the browser and select the organization that we're working with, and I'm in O2. Configure the beacon. So change the upgrade mode to no automatic upgrades. Give this a name. Let's save it. All right, well, I don't see the download button or the save button anymore, so I'll try to do an end around. We'll go to Data Collection, IT Visibility Tasks, and IT Visibility Beacons. And there is our beacon. So I'll click on the beacon, and now I have my download button. Although I do want to change this to no upgrades. No upgrades. No upgrades. Good. Hit save. Let's hope that button stays there. Yay. Okay. Now I'll continue with the download configuration. Then we can go back to our beacon. Click Import Configuration. Go to the Downloads folder. This is our config file, FLX config file. Click Open. It will, under Test Connections, it says it succeeded on its testing to the parent connection, and we'll click Save. And then we'll exit. All right, we'll go ahead and make changes to the service account. Even though we're not domain joined and we don't have a service account to use, we want to just go through the motions of showing you how to change the service account for the beacon. So I'm going to go to Services, find the FlexNet beacon engine, right-click, Properties, log on, and change it to this account. Go to Browse, type in student, hit enter. Did that work? Student, check names. Okay, beacon, I think that's a little different. Same thing. Okay. Then the password is Flex for All. Flex for All. and hit OK. Now it's going to want to add the login as a service, and it won't take effect until it restarts the service. So I'll click Restart Service. And let's go ahead and update IIS while we're at it. So I'm going to go to, no, we can close this out. Minimize that. Go to Server Manager. Wait for the servers to be updated. Click on Add Roles and Features. Then Next. Next. That's our beacon. Now we enable Web Service IIS, add features, and we go right to Role Services. Now we'll need to check a few more role services. HTTP redirection, under Performance Dynamic Content Compression, under Security Basic Auth and Windows Auth. Open up Application Development. Choose the .NET Extensibility 4.8, add features, ASP 4.8, add features. That'll check the IIS API extensions and filters. And I think that's it. Then hit Next, Install. And this will take a few minutes. And we go back to the beacon and select Local Web Server and choose IIS and hit Save. This will configure IIS. And then we can take a look at IIS. If I go to Tools, IIS, you see we have the beacon here now. And if I expand that and expand sites, default website, now you can see the beacon and a manage soft directories for upload and download of files. So we're good.